Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. This is Justin Das Trudeau, Prime Minister slash President of the United States of Canada. It's a really hot day outside, isn't it? Uh, Wrong. We just had a major snowstorm in April. Mondays, am I right? Wrong. It's a fucking Thursday. With each passing year, Canadians countrywide have been complaining about how climate change is messing our winters up and completely like fucking up the weather and the seasons and whatever bullshit these conservative scientists are saying. Because conservatives are the real enemy, right? Not the government. No. It's always everyone else but us. Trust us. So, what do we do about this climate change thing? To that I say, does it matter? I mean, do you know who you're asking about this? I'm Justin freaking Das Trudeau. Alright, Premier, Financer, and Financee of Canada's major leading oil, petrol, pipeline, co-inc companies. Alright? As far as I'm concerned, a little bit of snow in April, not a problem. Alright, we're Canadians, we can deal with it. Furthermore, what's all the fuss with all this climate change stuff? I mean, it's not as if we're reaching a point of no return and the multiple communities worldwide are getting faced with the real physical, environmental threats of this ever-growing phenomenon. I mean, what does it matter? It's not in my interest to fix this. I mean, as a fellow Canadian cultural representative once said, money over everything. Thank you, Drizzy Drake. I really enjoyed your latest album, Vultures. Now, why do we concern ourselves with all this buzz around our country or whatever? We all know the real issue is American politics because everything revolves around America. If they don't vote for the right senile war criminal, I mean, it's over for all of us, right? Who cares if this country goes to shit and this world collapses? I mean, look, if we all die from climate change, and climate change is not a problem anymore, right? We're dead. So, yeah. See it as like a form of therapy, right? Like medically assisted euthanasia. Vote for me.